Have you ever felt like you're wading through a mental fog just to grasp a simple thought? You might be surprised to discover that the secret to a more precise, sharper mind is on your plate. Today, we dive into the profound connection between a plant-based diet and enhanced mental clarity. Is your next meal the key to unlocking your brain's potential? Setting the stage. In today's fast-paced world, convenience often trumps quality in our meals. The standout diet many indulge in are dominant by fast foods, heavily processed items, and products laden with added sugars. It's a world of instant gratification, where a meal is just a drive-through or a packaged snack away. But what might these quick fixes be costing us in the long run? The brain, our most vital organ, doesn't escape the effects of these nutritional choices. A diet steeped in processed foods has been linked to feelings of sluggishness, challenges in concentration, and even erratic mood swings. It's like trying to run a high-performance computer on low-grade fuel. The system might not operate without glitches. However, as awareness of these implications grow, many seek change. There's a burgeoning movement toward embracing more natural and whole foods. This shift isn't just about physical health. It's a quest for a clearer mind, heightened focus, and a balanced mood. So, could redirecting our plates towards nature's bounty be the answer to rebooting our brains? What is a whole foods plant-based diet? You may have heard the term whole foods plant-based diet floating around in health circles. But what does it mean? At its core, this diet is rooted in consuming foods in their most natural state. Think vibrant vegetables, luscious fruits, hearty whole grains, nutrient-packed legumes, crunchy nuts, and savory seeds. It celebrates nature's variety, with every meal offering a colorful palette of health-boosting ingredients. But some confusion might arise here. A whole foods plant-based diet doesn't strictly equate to being vegan or vegetarian. While it emphasizes plants as a primary food source, it doesn't necessarily banish all animal products. However, it advocates for minimizing or eliminating them, mainly if they're processed or factory farmed. This diet underscores quality, ethics, and sustainability, giving precedence to what's good for us and our planet. And if you're thinking this diet might be bland, think again. Imagine plates bursting with colors, textures, and flavors. From creamy avocado toast to hearty lentil stews to refreshing fruit salads and crunchy nut mixtures. Every bite is an adventure, a dance of nature's best offerings on your plate. The science between the brain and whole foods plant-based nutrition. When we delve into nutrition science, seeing how deeply our dietary choices influence brain function is genuinely awe-inspiring. Let's unpack some critical players in the nutrient symphony offered by a whole food plant-based diet. First on our list is omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their role in brain health. While many associate these essential fats with fish, plant-based sources like flaxseed, chia seed, and walnuts are rich reservoirs. These fats are integral to the very structure of our brain cells, facilitating smoother communication between them and optimizing cognitive function. Then we have the vibrant warriors antioxidants. We're not just delighting our taste buds when we feast on deep-colored berries and lush leafy greens. These foods are teeming with antioxidants that shield our brain cells from damage, offering a protective barrier against cognitive decline. And let's not forget about the B vitamins, the unsung heroes of our nervous system. Whole grains and legumes, staples in the plant-based world, serve as bountiful sources. These vitamins are instrumental to nerve function, ensuring that every electrical impulse, every thought, and every memory is transmitted seamlessly. But nutrition's influence isn't limited to the microscopic. On a larger scale, a whole foods plant-based diet works wonders for our cardiovascular system. A heart in its prime pumps blood efficiently, ensuring that our brain receives a steady stream of oxygen-rich blood. This improved circulation not only energizes the brain, but also decreases the risk of conditions that impair cognition. Several studies have consistently spotlighted a fascinating link. Those who lean toward plant-based diets often have a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Addressing common myths. As with any dietary approach that gains traction, misconceptions and myths are bound to sprout. Let's tackle some of the most common ones head on. Myth 1. You can't get enough protein on a whole foods plant-based diet. This is perhaps the most perpetuated myth in the world of nutrition. In truth, a myriad of plant foods are packed with protein. Lentils, beans, chickpeas, quinoa, tofu, tempeh, and even certain greens like spinach and broccoli contribute to daily protein intake. Not to mention seeds like hemp, chai, and sunflower are not only versatile in recipes, but also protein-rich. The beauty of a plant-based protein sources is that they often come bundled with other essential nutrients and fiber, making them a multifaceted nutritional powerhouse. Myth 2. Whole food plant-based diets are expensive. While certain specialty products or organic foods might carry a heftier price tag, the foundations of a plant-based diet can be incredibly wallet-friendly. Staples like rice, beans, lentils, pasta, and seasonal produce can be affordable and nutrient-dense. In many cases, buying these items in bulk or from local markets can further reduce costs. Over time, one might also find saving in reducing healthcare expenses due to the health benefits of this diet. Myth 3. It's hard to find tasty whole food plant-based meals. This couldn't be farther from the truth. The world of plant-based cuisine is as vast and diverse as the plant kingdom itself. From creamy mushroom risottos and spicy lentil curries to refreshing mango salads and decadent avocado chocolate mousse, a smorgasbord of flavors is waiting to be explored. The internet is awash with recipes that cater to every palate, and many traditional dishes can easily be tweaked to fit a plant-based mold. Tips for transitioning to a whole foods plant-based diet. Changing your diet, incredibly as profound as transitioning to a whole foods plant-based lifestyle, can be both exhilarating and daunting. But fear not, this journey can be smooth, enjoyable, and incredibly rewarding with the right approach. Here are some tried and tested tips to guide your way. Start small. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Begin by incorporating more whole plant foods into your daily meals. Maybe it's swapping that breakfast cereal for a hearty oatmeal topped with fresh berries and nuts, or a bean-based salad at lunch. These small shifts compound over time, making the transition seamless and less intimidating. Meal prep. A little planning goes a long way. Spend some time each week mapping out your meals. A clear plan ensures you're not reaching for those processed foods when hunger strikes. Prepare some staples in advance, like cooking a batch of quinoa or lentils, chopping veggies, or making a jar of homemade dressing. These ready-to-use components can be building blocks for various weekly meals. Educate yourself. Knowledge truly is power. Dive into books, documentaries, or reputable online sources that delve into whole food plant-based nutrition. The more you understand the why behind this lifestyle, the more motivated and committed you'll feel. Plus, you'll be equipped to make informed choices and debunk any myths you might encounter. Join a community. Embarking on this journey alone can be challenging, but remember, there's a vibrant community of individuals globally who are on the same path. Seek out local or online groups, forums, or social media platforms where you can connect, share experiences, swap recipes, and find support. Being part of a community provides a sense of belonging and can also be a wellspring of inspiration and encouragement. Conclusion. In our exploration today, we've peeled back the layers to understand the profound connection between our diets and our minds. A whole foods plant-based diet approach not only promises an array of physical benefits, but also beckons with an allure of mental clarity, sharper cognitive function, and a shield against neurodegenerative conditions. But as with anything in life, it's essential to pave your path. Dive into research, question, experiment, and most importantly, listen to your body. If you're on the fence about making a change, remember this. If you're seeking clarity, maybe it's time to turn over a new leaf. Enjoyed this deep dive into the world of whole food plant-based nutrition? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we'll continue to uncover the wonders of plant-based living. Before signing off, if you missed our other video on boosting immunity, strengthening defenses, and nutrient-rich plants, it's a must-watch. A huge thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep nourishing your body and mind, and stay curious.